My name is Nikita from Cars Off the Wall. This is a headlight, passenger side from a 2005 Dodge Dakota I sold a long time ago, pulled the headlight, and it's faded. I mean, you can see how yellow it is. We're going to teach you how I clean the headlights, and I'm going to have all the tools here for you. This is what you're going to need to essentially clean your headlight. If you don't have a power drill, that's okay. You can do it by hand. But the important thing is that you have a 500 grit sand block, an 800 grit sand block, and a 2 or 3000, this is a 3000 sand block, essentially giving you a very nice shine. But you can only get that shine once you clean it with alcohol, dry it, and then put some headlight coating, Meguiar's. Obviously your water, because you're wet sanding everything. You have a couple of towels. Clean towels is always good. You can use dirty towels, no big deal. For those of you who don't follow the channel, I'm trying to show you life as a used car dealer right outside your home. And right now we have no work, nothing on the lot. We've already sold most of our cars. We have 2 left. We have 1 that's coming on the way. We need more cars. We need more work, and I don't got any. So I found a faded headlight in the shed. I'm going to post it on eBay and see if we can make 30 bucks by making it look better and selling it quick. Let's start with the 500 grit. Get that ready. And we're wet sanding, so everything needs to be wet. And done with the first pass. You're going to take your bottle of water. You're going to spray all that gunk off. You should see a lot of yellow gunk coming off. We're going to do another pass. Make sure to spray your gun. There we go. It's looking much better, you guys. You don't need soapy water. You just need plain old water. It's fine. Now look at that. Just what the 500 grit sandpaper does, and look at how clean it already is. Switch the paper. And we did 3 times with 500. We'll do 3 times with the 800. Same thing. Make sure to actively spray your headlight. Oh, look at that. Now that is getting better and better every time. Last one is the 3000. Put it on your gun. Make sure to spray it. You shouldn't see a lot of yellow gunk come off anymore because you should have already taken it off. This is just to smooth out the plastic. Oh, ouch. My hand is, dang, that's tiring. Much, much better. I am so happy with the results. And now we get to do the fun part, which is drying it, getting all this water off the table, and then putting that clear coat on. Off the table. Let's at least dry the headlight somewhat with the towel. And you can already tell this headlight looks a lot better. We're going to put the alcohol on right now. Maybe sprinkle on the headlight. And this will just really clean that headlight. Now, do you see that shine? This shine is exactly what it's going to look like when we put the clear coat. Look at that. That's how good it'll look. Meguiar's headlight coating. I get this off of Amazon. It's the only place I can find it now. Walmart used to have it, now they don't. What a bummer. Test spray. We're just going to do a light coat here. And then one on top. Just like that. And now we just have to wait about 5 minutes or so. I like to wait about 2 minutes. It says 5, but 2 minutes is all you need, especially if it gets warmer out. Then you're going to want to do it after a minute probably. All right, I'm back. Second coat, here we go. Okay, this one will be heavier. Pretty much good as new. These sandpaper discs will last you at least 10 headlights as well. So not only are you saving money, but you can do this up to 10 times on just one set of the tools required to do it. Thank you guys for watching. I know this video is out everywhere. Maybe you already know, but I hope you enjoy watching how I do it. And from my experience, it's never failed. And I do it on the car. I don't even tape up the headlights. I don't tape up anything. I just spray this stuff and I'll just wipe it off around the headlight. We're good.